7 best foods for your breakfast, and those you should avoid. Do you wake up feeling tired? Do you get hungry just 2 hours after eating? Your breakfast might be the reason. Some foods boost your energy, keep you full, and sharpen your focus, while others do the exact opposite. Stay with me to discover the 7 best foods for your breakfast, and those you should avoid. Simple changes can transform your day. Hello, and welcome to the top 7 breakfast foods. Do you skip breakfast to lose weight? Did you know that people who eat breakfast tend to have healthier habits, are less likely to be overweight or obese, and have a lower risk of various chronic diseases? So, don't skip breakfast. Start your day off right and stay tuned to learn about the top 7 foods to include in your morning meal to make it healthier, more nutritious, improve your mood and focus, and give you more energy for the rest of the day. Because some breakfasts are healthier than others. First, like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our health tips, and turn on the notification bell. It's also crucial to share this knowledge with your friends and family. Because when it comes to your health, it's worth sharing. So share it. Tell me, do you fast or eat breakfast? What do you eat? What state in the USA are you from? Write it below. 7 best foods for your breakfast. Eggs are an incredible source of high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and key nutrients like vitamin B12, D, and choline. Choline is crucial for brain health, improving memory and focus. They also contain antioxidants that protect the eyes, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. A protein-packed breakfast with eggs will keep you full and prevent cravings throughout the day. Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. Oatmeal sheaf of rice. Oatmeal is one of the best sources of soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels. It contains beta-glucan, a type of fiber that promotes gut health and keeps you feeling full longer. Oats also provide essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. To maximize its benefits, pair oatmeal with fruits, nuts, or a bit of honey for a delicious, nutrient-rich breakfast. Greek yogurt's sake. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics, which support gut health and digestion. It is also rich in protein, with nearly twice the amount found in regular yogurt. The combination of protein and healthy bacteria improves metabolism and reduces hunger cravings. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add natural sweeteners like berries or honey to avoid excess sugar. Smoothies cup with straw. Smoothies are an easy and versatile way to get a nutrient-packed breakfast. You can mix fruits, leafy greens, healthy fats, and a source of protein to create a well-balanced meal. Ingredients like bananas, spinach, almond milk, peanut butter, and protein powder make a perfect energy-boosting drink. The fiber and antioxidants from fruits and vegetables help support immune function and overall health. Green juice leafy green. Green juice is a blend of nutrient-dense vegetables and fruits that provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A mix of kale, spinach, celery, lemon, and apples can boost hydration, detoxify the body, and improve digestion. Unlike traditional fruit juices, green juice retains fiber, helping to slow down sugar absorption and prevent energy crashes. Fruits banana strawberry. Fresh fruits are a great way to start your morning with natural sweetness and essential nutrients. Bananas provide potassium, which helps maintain heart health and muscle function. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that support brain health and reduce inflammation. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help keep you full longer and promote heart health. Whole grain bread. Whole grains contain fiber, protein, and important minerals like selenium and magnesium. Unlike refined white bread, whole grain bread helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports digestive health. Toast it with a drizzle of olive oil and herbs or pair it with eggs and avocado for a balanced breakfast. 7 foods to avoid for breakfast. Sugary cereals bowl with spoon. Most breakfast cereals are loaded with refined sugar and artificial flavors. They cause rapid blood sugar spikes, leading to energy crashes and increased hunger. Instead, opt for oatmeal or homemade granola with natural ingredients. White bread and pastries. Shortcake. These highly processed foods contain refined carbohydrates that offer little nutritional value. They lack fiber, causing rapid digestion and leaving you hungry soon after. Replace them with whole grain options for sustained energy. Packaged fruit juices. Beverage box. Store-bought fruit juices are often stripped of fiber and packed with sugar. This leads to insulin spikes and increased fat storage. Choose fresh fruit or green juices instead. Granola bars crossmark. Many commercial granola bars contain more sugar and artificial additives than candy bars. If you need a quick snack, choose nuts or a homemade protein bar. Sugary coffee drinks, hot beverage, lattes, frappuccinos, and flavored coffees are loaded with sugar, leading to energy crashes. Stick to black coffee or add a dash of cinnamon for flavor without the sugar overload. Flavored yogurt spoon. While yogurt can be healthy, flavored varieties contain excessive amounts of sugar and artificial ingredients. Opt for plain Greek yogurt with fresh fruit instead. Processed meats, bacon, sausages. Bacon. These meats contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. They are linked to increased risks of heart disease and inflammation. If you enjoy protein in the morning, opt for eggs or lean meats like turkey. Now that you know which foods to include and avoid in your breakfast, you can make smarter choices to improve your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Have you tried any of these options? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips. And of course, share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family, because good health is always worth sharing.